Bonjour. Bonjour.
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Vikings season 6, episode 10. I'm glad to be back for this episode 10 because, like I said at the end of my review of the last episode, if you want to see my reaction videos about the last episode, I'm gonna put the links. Like I said, I thought because of IMBD, BD, I don't know, but I thought that the episode 9 was the middle episode, you know, was the end of the first part of this final season of this season 6. Because of that website, I shouldn't trust it because it was not the case. This episode 10 is the middle episode, you know, to finish the part 1. And I think that it's great because I thought that the episode 9 was not great for that, for being that middle episode, because it didn't leave me, you know, excited for the second part. I thought that the end of it was not what I'm expecting of a middle episode, something that can excite me for the part 2 with important events, you know, with important moments which can leave me, you know, in tension for the characters, excited and stressed and, you know, impatient to have the second part, and sorry that we have to wait months to have it. So I'm really glad that the episode 9 was not that one, that it was the episode 10. But I can't think about what can happen during this episode 10. Like, for me, we left Ivar and Fitzer together with Oleg. I'm still shocked by that. I'm still shocked by Fitzer being on the side of Ivar just like that in one episode, in what, 2 or 3 scenes. I know that, you know, Fitzer killed Lagertha, so Ivar is gonna be hyped by that, and I know also that Ivar didn't have, you know, a lot of hard feelings, wrong feelings for Fitzer. He was maybe more against Bjorn than against Fitzer. I know that, but Fitzer, he had so much hate for Ivar since episodes, since seasons, that is the one who is really surprising me and that I was not expecting to be on Ivar's side. That's it, I'm still surprised about that. Not because of Ivar, not because of Ivar accepting him, but because of Fitzer and all of this hate that he had for Ivar and that he erased just like that. And Bjorn now is all alone, you know, is without Ube. Ube left for Iceland. I'm still having hope that we're gonna find Floki. You know my rule, you know that as long as I don't see the body of the person who is dead, I'm not gonna believe that this person is really dead. So right now, I still have hope for Floki. Maybe I still have hope for Floki because he's the last one, you know, the last one of all of the oldest characters for which I can have still hope that we're gonna see him again. Maybe because he is one of my favorite characters, like I took a picture with the actor who is playing Floki during the Comic-Con Paris. If you didn't know that, I'm gonna put the link about that, about my story time about the Comic-Con Paris. And yes, I really have hope for Floki. But yes, Bjorn, you know, he doesn't have Ube anymore. He can be glad, you know, that he still have Gunhild on his side, but Gunhild, she's accepting that Bjorn is having another wife, but she was crying during the last episode and her tears, one of you told me on the comments that her tears were golden. I didn't see that, but that's intriguing me. If it's really the case, why? What does it mean? We'll see about that. Harald and Bjorn are gonna work together against the Russians. How can it end? Because even if they will win, I'm not sure of that. I have to say it, I don't have a lot of hope for that. I don't know why, but I can't see that happening. I mean, not for now, not for the middle of the season. I know, you know, the progression that a show can have during a season, and for me, they have to lose to win at the end. You understand my logic? So I'm not sure that they can win now. Even if they will win, Harald and Bjorn, they can't agree for a long time, you know. Bjorn is still not happy that Harald is the king, and Harald is not gonna give up on the crown because he was elected to be the king, so it's a dead end. But yes, I don't have a lot of hope for these battles, you know, which are gonna come maybe during this episode or during the first episodes of the part 2. I don't have a lot of hope that our guys, you know, our Vikings can win. I think that the Russians are gonna win the first ones. I'm still wondering about how it can work, because, you know, we have Harald and Bjorn who are fighting against the Russians, but Harald and Bjorn are fighting also against each other. And into the Russian side, we have Ivar and Hvitserk who are working with for Oleg, but who are also, you know, on their side, on Oleg's brother's side, against Oleg. So see, they are fighting against each other, but they are also fighting between each other. So I can't see how the game, you know, can work. I mean, the game of the allies and enemies can work between each other on their side, but also like that. Maybe they can mix that. I don't know. I really don't know. We'll see. I'm worried about the brothers. All of them. You know that I love all of them because they are all Ragnar's sons, so I'm always worried about them. I was like that during the last season. I don't want to lose any one of them. I don't want any one of them to die, but I'm worried that we're gonna lose one of them before the end of this season. It would be almost logical, you know, because it's war, so of course people can die during wars. I don't want any of them to die, any of the brothers. I don't know. I don't know how it can end, because I don't know how it can work, you know, this game of making enemies and making allies between each side and into each side. I don't know. I'm gonna stop talking right now and let's go for this episode 10. The middle of this season, the end of the part 1, I'm expecting it to be exciting. Yes, to give me a lot of excitement for part 2, to give me a lot of stress also. I don't know if we're gonna have battles during this episode or not. Yes, I have some tissues, just in case. I didn't cry during the last episode, that was great. Can I not cry during this one? It would be great also. Let's go for the episode 10. Oh, and I don't have subtitles for this episode. I'm really sorry for that. Harald asked Bjorn to leave Kattegat, you know, to not protect Kattegat, but protect Harald's town capital. I don't want to lose Kattegat. I don't want Kattegat to be destroyed. It's Kattegat, you know.
You're on our side. You have no idea what you are now facing. What we are now facing.
They are Vikings.
The twilight of the gods. The end of everything.
Come on, they are just men and they are Vikings. Again, I don't have a lot of hope for the first battles, but at the end, they're gonna win.
We will block the entrance leading into the fjord here.
We're gonna have battles during this episode.
Here, so Ivar cannot crush us in a pinch.
I'm not ready to see the brothers fighting each other again.
Do you think they will come? The other kings?
I don't.
I wish. I want Lagertha to be there.
With me, the love of my life, I fought against my fate. But now I'm resigned.
What? Yes, I saw a ghost. Hvitserk didn't see Freydis on her, on Oleg's wife.
You know I can't.
Is she playing with you? Oleg's wife. I can't believe. You know that she's not Freddy's. You kissed her, but you don't want her. You're really giving weird signs.
And if they choose not to come, so be it. I don't agree.
We need them.
Helping us prepare for the invasion of the roof. You don't have to do this. You don't have, baby.
I'm going to have a Norwegian baby, not a Russian baby.
Please don't lose that kid. I know that you're brave, I know that you're strong.
The concerns that our defenses are being stretched too wide and that you are trying too hard to second guess the points of attack.
I'm only trying to anticipate what he's going to do. I know him very well.
If you misread his
Enough.
intentions.
Then we are defeated. What are you saying? Do you have a better plan?
I didn't think so.
You're the second wife.
And
Second wives don't matter very much.
what do you want?
What do you want to say to me?
You're in love with Bjorn?
You're in love with Gunhild.
You're ambitious. But Bjorn is not the king.
I am married to Bjorn.
You want to take her?
I will make you queen of all Norway.
Really? I mean, really you are proposing that to her and really you are giving up on Gunhild? No, 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 no. Don't lose him, her, don't.
It was the boy, of course.
It was.
Perhaps I'm not meant to have a child with you.
Don't say that. Yes.
We will have children.
Perhaps Ingrid will give you a son.
I want only what is best for you, Gunhild.
I said it, I predicted it, but I'm so sorry.
This is a sad day. We lost a child. But
Another
it will be
one
fine.
for Bjorn.
You are the true king. You know that. You told me that we knew each other before, in an earlier life.
She did not believe me.
That such things can happen. In our religion, we believe that. She told me that Lindir was alive and well. Thanks to you, you helped him escape, no?
Ew! We're screwed.
I need to talk some more, Petra. Thank you for being honest.
Don't be honest with Oleg.
I think I'm falling in love with you.
You're so weird. You're not betraying him. You're working for him. I can't believe that she's betraying him.
Look, it's spring.
Oh, really? We're gonna have a battle during this episode?
Nothing kan det kosta och kan nothing. Och så fick växa och kvarna man. Till din egen kära marken till distrikten och mina.
Why are you always doing that?
Eller grej för mig själva.
Gunhild.
Så nu. Eller vid en liten stund. Så att du känner dig ensam.
No, 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 no. That's not fair. A mother losing her child, talking to him dead.
But don't do it to King Harald's name, do it in my name. Do it quickly. I don't understand why he has to take another wife. Why? But perhaps because he can.
You're so jealous, Harald, each time. Yes, 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 you are the king. Come on.
Let her go.
What did you do? You arrest, capture her?
What do you want?
You.
By force? Oh, I'm gonna be so mad.
What are you afraid of?
You? Dambas? You arrest her?
I want to go. You have to let me
I
go.
don't have to do anything. I'm the king.
Harald! Hey! want you.
Keep me out secret. I'm in the rules attack. If I die, our secret goes to the grave. And beyond that, I promise to marry you.
Then let's wait. See what happens. What the god signs.
I'm tired of waiting for the gods.
Fuck you. Ta mère, lâche-la.
Do it.
Harold, you're doing that? I want to kill you now. I'm not. Wow. Ooh, all of my body was contracted. I don't care about that vision. He did that. Fuck you, Harold. I liked you. Why did you do that? Fuck you. No, even that can change my emotion right now. My hate for Harold. Let's do the battle. I'm ready to fight. I swear. Oh, I'm ready to fight right now. I don't want any of you to die, to lose, or to win. That can't be possible.